Hello, my name is Anidya Diva Nuraysha. My ID number 2005971. I'm from International Program on Science Education or IPSE, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, welcome to Miss Anidya's class. Today we'll learn about asexual reproduction. I will explain about the definition of asexual reproduction, asexual reproduction in fungi, flowering plants, and animals, and the last is about advantages and disadvantages of asexual reproduction. Okay, let's continue to our topic. Well, students, do you know what is asexual reproduction? Asexual means without sex, and this method of reproduction does not involve gametes or sex cell and only need from one parent. So, asexual reproduction is the process of resulting in the production genetically identical offspring from one parent. Okay, for the first, how about asexual reproduction in fungi? Fungi have sexual and asexual methods of reproduction. In the asexual reproduction, they produce single-cell haploid spores. These are dispersed, often by air currents, and if they reach a salutable situation, they grow new hyphae which develop into a mycelium. For the examples are penicillium and mucor. Then, for the second, how about asexual reproduction in flowering plants? Asexual reproduction in flowering plants divided into two. For the first, vegetative propagation, and the second is artificial propagation. For vegetative propagation, it takes place naturally, usually result from the growth of a lateral parent stem which is close to or under the soil. Instead of just making a branch, the plant produces a complete plant with root, stem, and leaves. When the old stem dies, the new plant is independent of the parent that produced it. There are several types of vegetative propagation. They are stolon and rhizomes, bulb and cones. Here's the one of example of vegetative propagation. For artificial propagation, there are two methods of artificial propagation are by taking cuttings and tissue culture. Here's the examples of artificial propagation: cutting and tissue culture. For the last, how about asexual reproduction in animals? Some species of invertebrate animals are able to reproduce asexually. For example is hydra. Asexual reproduction in hydra starting from a group of cells on the column start dividing rapidly and produce a bud. Then the bud develop tentacle and the daughter hydra pulls itself off the parent, and the daughter becomes an independent animal. Okay, for the last topic is about advantages and disadvantages of asexual reproduction. Here's the summary table of advantages and disadvantages of asexual reproduction. Well, students, that's all the material about asexual reproduction. Hopefully it's useful for you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.